Hey guys, I got a new package and this is maybe my awesomest package ever. And I have it here. The cans are really amazing and I think this is my rarest unboxing so far, and in the future maybe too, because it's really hard to beat that. And I have it here, like I said, and I will open it. And before you will ask, then I can't tell you prices here, and they are not for trade or sale. And it looks good packed. That's very important for them. I don't know with which should I start. I have no idea. They are all awesome. And the guy who packed it did it really well. And that is really good that he did a lot of packing work for them. I have to be careful too. Empty. And I think I will start with that one. That is empty. And you have no idea how long I waited at all for a chance to get them, and then to get them really is I never saw one in real before. I mean, pictures yes, but little dent. And the Monster Energy XXL Billabong Low Carb. It has no tap. It's not so bad, but man, look at that can. Look at it, and I still can't believe that I got this now. It's so amazing. The next one is not new for me at all, but you will pee yourself. It's the Monster M from Australia. And this is full, and I got one in my collection already, but not the Ripper so far. But now I got both. This is also full. The condition is not perfect, maybe you see it here, but who cares? This is just awesome. I don't know. This package, I got 2 rare Australian monsters and the Billabong Low Carb. And yeah, this is the best before Christmas present ever. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.